Hello everyone, and welcome back to Story Sessions by BRIC. Today's story will be Recipe for a Story by Ella Burford. I am going to cook a book. I'll break some thoughts into a cup. I'll beat them, whisk them, mix them up. Look, he's filling the thoughts in the cup. I'll weigh out the words just enough. Choosing the right ones can be tough. The small ones go into the pot. And what? I'll drop some big words from a height. Elephant, crocodile, dynamite. Now that my story has begun, I'll cut out characters one by one. Look, the characters have come to life with just feelings, colours, sounds and pictures all add flavour to my mixture. Look, one of the characters is hiding right here and here and here and here. I'll add a watery word or two. I'll pour them in and stir them through. Splish, splosh, splash, drip or sprinkle. Glug and gurgle, squelch and tinkle. Now I'll put a lid on it. Wait a while, let it sit. It's not until I roll it out that I'll find out what it's all about. And now I lay it in the tin so my characters can jump in. Look, this one has jumped and this can has fallen. Next, the middle. The action of the filling into the pan without any spilling. Now I'll do it is simply add a spoon of good and pinch of bad. Turn up the heat, let bubbles quicken, and then my plot begins to thicken. Look, she's picking up a witch. Every sentence will taste much better if I add full stop and a capital letter. But where did I put them? I've seen them myself. Here they are in the cupboard on the top shelf. Look, full stop and capital letter. Lastly, the ending, I'll press it down and add decoration all around. I will glaze with happiness, leave it to cook. Then bake it brown it and finish my book. I turn the pages and I can tell that my recipes turned out well. I've done everything that I need. Look, it's a cake. To make my story a delicious read, now you have all the ingredients. Why not cook up a story for your own? The end. Thank you for watching.